So I'm about to go from 100 to 0 to recreate this little look, and I'm feeling super glamorous, super dark, and Gabby Hanna, her little music video for Honestly really inspired this eye, and Xavier MUA from Instagram. I think we're gonna start with eyes first today. We're gonna go in with the Kokie Vibrant. I'm gonna jump into the Jaclyn Hill palette and take this black. And I'm just gonna place that in an upside down U shape on my lid. So I'm gonna take this little Nomad Cosmetics palette. Remember, it is all about the blending. I'm gonna take this Cosmetics brush. It has a little bit of this product, this blue on it, and I'm just gonna use that to further diffuse this. And we lost a little bit of the black in this area and right in here, so I'm gonna take some more and just go right back over that. And then more blending. Because black is such just that color to work with, I'm just gonna keep with the theme, a little Stila Cosmetics Molten Midnight. Now we are going to clean some of this leftover highlight off. For primer, I'm going to be using a little mixture. I'm going to do the No Poreblem on the cheeks and the Merle Norman 24 karat rose gold firming hydrating primer. Now I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. Taking some more Be Bright. Take some Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder. Contour this nose with the ABH contour kit. We're going to take the ashy shade on a little flat brush. Now back in with this powder brush and just kind of diffuse those edges. We're going to contour these two shades. Now, because I just want to look extra cunty, the Bobbi Brown. And just to kind of spice this area back up, I'm just going to go in with a little powder. Because we have such like this cool dark look on top, I want to do the Tarte Vibrant blush. And then again with this little brush. Now I'm going to take the Jeffree Star Platinum Ice Palette, and I'm gonna take the shade Glacier and probably mix in some ice cold. Now we're gonna do some Kokie Cosmetics, make it, you know, I always call this the wrong thing. This is the Set and Forget from Kokie, but I always call it something else. And I'm also gonna take this blue shade from the Kat Von D Alchemist palette and just add that right in there. Look at that. Come on, blue. I'm gonna do some mascara and lipstick off camera, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and use this Makeup Forever black liner, and I'm gonna put that in my waterline. We're gonna take the 39A, and I'm gonna grab this color and use that in my lower lash. I actually think that really pulled this look together. So one last round of setting spray. And we are done. No, we're not. I forgot lipstick. So I just put on the CoverGirl and Katy Perry lipstick in Sphinx, and I'm gonna top it with the Soap and Glory Sexy Mother Pucker gloss. I'm actually gonna top it with some Bobbi Brown gloss because that one just kind of disappeared. I hope you enjoy this video.